channel, everybody. Someone's stuck nearby. It's like 110 out right now. It's not a good time to be stuck, so I think they're trying to dig themselves out. I don't know what kind of car. So we're gonna check it out and see if we can get them unstuck. And again, it's pretty darn hot out. Of course, we're in the desert here. So let's check out the situation. They're actually right up here. Looks to be some sort of sedan, maybe. So anyway, let's check them out.
Okay, here we are. Looks to be a Honda of some sort of head, and we're going to talk about the vehicle here in a second. The main factor here, of course, is the heat. It's 110, and there's a good amount of humidity today. So 110 with humidity just is really dangerous and really hot, obviously. So if you are traveling through the desert, and I know everybody says this, just be careful. Bring lots of water and electrolytes and balance both. And be prepared for a situation like this. It happens all the time, and you just want to be as best prepared for this sort of situation as possible.
Hey, how you doing? We saw you guys over there. Is it stuck bad or?
It's stuck.
Okay. Okay. You came that way?
Yeah.
Does your car have the little you know what I mean, the little hook on the back? You know how it has that little trap door and you have that screw with the eye? I mean, let me look.
Okay, let's talk about this car. It is a 2024 Honda Civic. Yep, Civics are everywhere. Everybody knows what a Civic is. So there's not really much to say about this car other than it's a front-wheel drive sedan. I'm sure it could do pretty good in the Mojave Desert. It just may get stuck. So not knocking its off-road abilities at all. Trucks have gotten stuck in similar spots to what we're seeing today. But do consider, if you are in front-wheel drive sedan and you go off-road in the desert in the summer, just keep that in mind there, and just be careful. All right, basically we put a round sling around one of the control arms on the Civic, and we're gonna just get set up here and give it a go, give it a pull with the kinetic rope.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, is it in neutral?
Yes.
Brake off.
Brake off.
Put off the brakes, no e-brake.
No e-brake.
Okay, here we go. One,
Okay.
2, 3. That's what I was like, I don't want you to... All right, so he's out. He's behind me, following. The setup there was soft shackle, excuse me, round sling to lower control arm, to soft shackle to kinetic rope, 7/8 or whatever, the smallest kind. And he's following me right now. I'm just leading him to the main road, main dirt road, so he doesn't get caught in any soft stuff, because they're staying at an Airbnb. Obviously, you're in the desert. It's the hottest time of day. It could have been dangerous if he was out here. AAA, nothing comes out here. They'll just send a ambulance and fire truck for you, if that, if you're lucky. So always be careful, obviously. They're staying at an Airbnb, and even if you stay out in the desert before, do know that nature can change the surface of the road, make it soft, hard, and a rainstorm or a windstorm in an instant will make a formerly passable road completely unpassable, or make a sand trap like that. So just realize that the desert is dynamic. So even if you visited the desert multiple times, different times of the years, you may get one spot that changes depending on what happens. And that spot is notorious for that, unfortunately. So just keep all that in mind. But anyway, he's out. I only gave him enough pull that you need, nothing crazy. Again, on the lower control arm, he did not have the what they call a tow eye, which you see on a lot of cars. You know, that little screw eye thing. If he had that, I could connect with that and give him a little yank, but apparently the Honda didn't have that, so lower control arm it was. But he's out, and up here he should be able to know where he's going soon.